अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है 11th क्लास के लिए, दैट इज़ टेलीकॉम सर्विसेज। ये हमें बीच में रह गया था, इसको हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। जो टेलीकॉम की अलग अलग सर्विसेज हैं उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे, और लास्ट में फंक्शंस ऑफ वेयर हाउसिंग हम उन पे भी बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वन दैट इज़ जो टेलीकॉम सर्विस में आ जाता है, दैट इज़ फिक्स्ड लाइन सर्विसेज। These services help in establishing link for long lasting traffic. They are network equipment connected through fiber optic cables lead across the length and breadth of the country. They are also connected with other types of telecom services. For example, voice and non-voice messages and data services. Second one, that is cellular mobile services. These include all kinds of mobile telecom services like voice and non-voice messaging, data services, PCO services, so on. They use any type of network equipment within their service area. Direct connectivity with any other telecom service provider is also provided by them. Third one, that is radio paging services. It provides an easy and effective way of providing information to persons when they are mobile. It is a kind of information broadcasting solution and is available in tune, numeric or alphanumeric paging. Fourth one, that is cable services. They are entertainment related services which provide for the operation of media services within a licensed area of operation. VSAT services, very small aperture terminal. Very small aperture terminal is a satellite based communication service. These services help business and government agencies in providing flexible and reliable communication services in both rural and urban areas. They provide asserted, uninterrupted services. Last one, that is DTH services. DTH, direct to whom, is also a satellite based media service offered by cellular companies. These services can be obtained directly through a satellite with the help of small dish antenna and a set-top box. A bucket of multiple channels is provided by them, which can be viewed on the television easily. Now, functions of warehousing. The various functions of warehousing are: first one, that is consolidation. The main function of a warehouse is to receive and consolidate materials or goods from different production plants and to transport them to a particular customer in a single shipment. Second one is, that is break the bulk. The bulk quantity received from the production plant is broken down into smaller quantities, and these smaller quantities are then transported to the customers according to their requirements. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Third one, that is stock filling. The most important function of warehousing is to store the goods or raw materials which are not required immediately for sale or manufacturing, and to make them available when demanded. For example, agricultural products like wheat, rice, pulses etc. Fourth one, that is value added services. Various value added services like transit mixing, packaging, and labeling are also provided by the warehouses. Fifth one, that is price stabilization. Warehouses help in stabilizing the prices by adjusting the supply of goods according to the demand. Hence, prices are controlled in case of increased supply and less demand, and vice versa. And the last one, that is financing. The owners of the goods are money by the owners of the goods are advanced money by warehouse owners on the security of goods. Moreover, they supply goods on credit to customers. Thanks.